welcome back to my channel. My name's Coy and I appreciate you guys tuning in today. We're going to talk about the upcoming 2022 Ram lineup. That includes the 1500, the 2500, the 3500, and of course the TRX. I did a video where we talked about some changes made to those packages offered in the 2022 lineup. Today we're going to focus on one specific update that the 2022 models are going to get, and it's something that I've been waiting for a while on the Charger and Challenger, and that's the UConnect 5. Now, I have the UConnect 5 in my SRT Durango, and I absolutely love it. And I was hoping that it would be coming to the Ram products this year, and sure enough, it is going to be available. Whether you have the 8.4 inch or the big 12.9 inch UConnect screen, UConnect 5 is going to be offered as an option for the 2022 model year. I can only hope that the UConnect 5 is going to be offered in the Charger and the Challenger, because that would definitely be something that I would be interested in changing over for. As I've stated in many of my videos, driving a Hellcat is awesome because of the engine and stuff, and you know, it is what it is. I love the car, but I'm a tech junkie first, and the infotainment system is definitely one of the deciding factors when I buy a car. UConnect 5 was first available in the Chrysler Pacifica, the Dodge Durango, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee for the 2021 model year back in 2020. And now it's becoming available to more vehicles. I haven't heard anything yet on whether or not it was going to be available in the Charger and Challenger, and I keep looking, but it has been confirmed that 2022 Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, and TRX trucks are going to get the UConnect 5 as an option. Some of the features that you can get with UConnect 5 include wireless Apple CarPlay. This is something that's definitely beneficial for me. I love Apple CarPlay, and to have it where you don't have to plug your phone in every time you get in your truck or car or whatever. To have it where you don't have to plug your phone in every time you get in your car, that's an awesome feature to have. The only recommendation I do have, if you're going to use wireless Apple CarPlay, is if you want to watch video in your car, say you're at the grocery store with your wife, like me most of the time, and I sit in the car, your video is going to lag from the Bluetooth, like the audio and the video won't sync up. So you want to make sure that you disconnect from wireless Apple CarPlay and do a hardwired connection if you're going to watch video. Other than that, wireless Apple CarPlay is awesome. The 22 trucks are also going to get wireless charging. Obviously, you put your phone down in this center console underneath the infotainment screen and wirelessly charge your phone. That's a lot more convenient. Also, you know, because of that wireless Apple CarPlay, you've got wireless Android Auto. Now, I can't speak on Android Auto because I've never used Android Auto. I'm an iPhone user myself. You couldn't give me an Android phone, but wireless Android Auto is also available. Another awesome feature for UConnect 5 is the over-the-air updates. Now you don't have to have an SD card or anything plugged into your infotainment system to update it. This is going to be paramount for navigation. I had a 2013 Ram 1500, and I never was able to find time for some reason over the 6 years I owned it to get the navigation updated, and the navigation never worked. And so being able to update your nav over the air with your maps and all that good stuff, that's pretty sweet, because especially in my area, they're doing a lot of construction and building a new highway. It's a nice option to have where that navigation will be updated automatically. There's still a big stretch of highway between my house and a family member's house that I travel to quite often, and there's a big stretch of highway where there's no navigation. It's just looks like a big field. So yeah, over-the-air updates will neutralize that problem for sure. Another feature of UConnect 5 is the ability to support two phones being connected at once, and you can choose which phone gets priority over the vehicle, meaning which one is going to ring when the phone rings, which one's going to send text messages, which one's going to control navigation, which one's going to control the music. But you can still, you know, use both phones and sync them both up at one time. That's an awesome feature to have when you have a car full of iPhone users and and you want to both be connected at the same time. The last thing in closing out this video that I can say about UConnect 5 that's going to be offered is the ability to create custom home screens, so that you can, you know, select the features that you use the most and have them spread out on your screen instead of features that you never use. I know on my UConnect 4 and my Charger, there are stuff that I don't use at all that I wish I could remove, have them more unique to my own personal taste. feature list. I'm definitely looking forward to UConnect 5. I hope that if they do bring UConnect 5 to the Charger and Challenger, and I'm also hoping this about the Ram 1500 trucks, that they bring the 10.5-inch screen that the Durango currently has. Currently in my 2020 Dodge Charger, I have UConnect 4 with the 8.4-inch screen, and it would be nice to get that high resolution 10-inch screen, because I know they're not going to put the 12.9-inch screen in the Charger, although that would be fantastic. A Charger or Challenger for that matter. I can tell you now that if it became available with the 12.9-inch or 10.5-inch with UConnect 5 in the Charger or Challenger, I would be driving straight to the Dodge dealership to do a trade, because that's something that I've been waiting for quite some time. So, like I said, the Jeep Grand Cherokee, the Chrysler Pacifica, and the Dodge Durango for 2021 had this feature. 2022 Ram truck lineup is also going to have this feature. Fingers crossed that the Charger and Challenger also get this option for the 2022 model year. If you like this video, if you found it informative, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.